and this four-way valve went bad. It's actually called an Anderson 200 RV. And so I got this thing, I took it out, and I'm about to actually change it. I ordered a new one. This was $50. I found this online for $50. You could buy it with the whole plate for $100, or you could buy just the insert for $38. Not worth it for just the insert. Now listen, here's how I blew it out. I turned the knob with the pressure on. You can't do that. I didn't know that. So don't turn you'll blow out the O-rings. And what happened was I was sucking in the air. Actually, I think it was blown out before that. It was slowly filling my freshwater tank when it was set up for city. I noticed that was one problem. And when I put a second regulator on, this one, I got this nice regulator, it stopped doing that issue. So I said, okay, that's good. Maybe it was just I had the regulator too high. But then when I went to use my holding tank and you put it on normal for holding tank, you bring the switch up to normal, it was sucking air. So that's when I realized, you know what, I got to change this thing. So I'm hoping that I put it all back together properly now. It's pretty easy to do. I just have to take this old one now, unscrew this, that comes off, unscrew this fat piece, do the same to this, it spins right off, spins right off, pop it through in the right position, it locks itself in, these little clips right here, locks itself in, it should bolt right back in, and I should be back in business. So, but I do want to test this before I put it all back together, just to make sure I didn't screw up and put one of the hoses in the wrong position. And when I test it, I will shut off the water and depressurize before changing positions. I just want to make sure all these are tight enough. They feel good. All right, I hope that helped anybody thinking about doing this job. It's really not hard. The camper places were scaring me. Oh my God, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. I took off the plate, everything was right there, pretty easy to get to. So, all right, I hope that helps somebody looking into it. Talk to you later, people.